Global Environment Facility. The Small Grants Program, the flagship of GEF projects in Nigeria, implemented by the UNDP. SGP Nigeria started in the year 2009 and currently operates in 23 states with a total of 76 projects at different stages of implementation. Presently, 33% of SGP projects are directed at conserving biodiversity, 9% to ensure climate change adaptation, 30% climate change, and 14% for chemicals, international waters, and capacity building, 23% to protect and prevent land degradation. SGP Nigeria grantees have been beneficiaries of several international awards, especially the recycling of waste sawdust into briquettes as a cheap and clean alternative fuel for stoves, introduced by Sawdust Entrepreneurial Initiative in Lagos. This project won the first UNEP Seed Award in Nigeria. The Nigerian Conservation Foundation, in conjunction with Shell Petroleum Development Company, won the prestigious BirdLife International Alice Bucoli Award for its activities in forest preservation. Women Environmental Program, also one of SGP Nigeria grantees, was conferred with the award for community peace building in Nigeria. Over 500 indigenous plant species and over 100 different fruits and seeds are currently being conserved. SGP encouraged a revived interest in traditional medicinal values of plant species and supported the establishment of community forest management committees. One of SGP biodiversity projects is the in-situ conservation of the critically endangered Sclater's Guinean monkey, endemic to southern Nigeria and rated number 4 in the 2006 IUCN Global Red Data List of endangered species of fauna. More than 700,000 and 600 hectares of land respectively have been protected and restored. SGP Nigeria supported numerous land degradation projects in several states that encouraged tree planting activities, addressed erosion, loss of farmlands, boosted food production, and built indigenous capacity for modern farming techniques at degraded sites. Skills acquisition centers were established to train SGP beneficiaries, many of whom are women, widows, and youths. They were trained on alternative livelihood activities and dissuaded from unsustainable practices. SGP Nigeria has supported over 20 climate change mitigation projects addressing awareness creation, teaching simple technique of rainwater harvesting to reduce stress of water, and impact of drought during dry season. The program has also supported pitcher irrigation technology for farming and the use of fuel-efficient stoves to reduce consumption of fuel wood. Results of our country program workshop show that over 85% of beneficiaries now have the capacity for proposal development, project implementation, report writing, and knowledge sharing. SGP Nigeria supported capacity building for people with disabilities, marginalized, and community leaders for livelihood enhancement. SGP is the only fund that ensures active participation of communities from project design to sustainability plan and management. The impact of SGP program in Nigeria cannot be overemphasized. Over 2,000 school children have benefited from SGP projects. 65% women and 35% men have benefited directly from the projects. 50% of communities have either never experienced or benefited from any development support or participated in such a way as allowed by SGP. SGP has influenced both local and national laws through its community initiative strategies and bottom-up approach, which complements the UNDP top-bottom policy programs. In terms of partnership and project replication, 8 SGP projects have been upscaled and 3 replicated. Country ownership is very high in SGP, as SGP has always demonstrated collaborative effort between NGOs, communities, and the private sector.